The next president is coming back to you after a long time of silence. The regime had taken me in. I was under arrest. I only came out yesterday, fit and kicking. No matter what pressure I shall meet, I'm not going to yield in. So something special is being prepared for Zimbabwe. Let's meet tomorrow morning, exactly 8 sharp. Then we tell you what's in the basket for Zimbabwe. The struggle continues. Let's continue keeping and hearing each other, taking note of my advice that everything we do must be above board so that the regime will have no excuse to arrest any of us. Let's use proper language to avoid problems. You see, yeah, some of the language that I was using, they were reprimanding me for that language. But I told them that I scolded nobody, and it is my right to tell Zimbabwe, or even those leaders that be, that I also have a right to be the head of government, or at least to be in the presidium, together with the champion, the one who is more popular in Zimbabwe, popular than anyone else, Comrade Nelson Chamisa, who shall be working together with Comrade Chiwenga. So the regime, I'm very sorry for the regime. Their efforts are misdirected. I thank you.